Welcome. If you want to manage the vibration settings on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, let's start from Open Settings, and then we have to move to the Sound and Vibration. Scroll down. Sorry, my mistake. I just click on the alarm volume, and right now, as you can see, there is the vibration section, and we can vibrate for our calls and use marker to activate or deactivate this option. Also set up the vibration in silent mode, and we can set up the strength of the vibrate when we tap the screen. So enter, and you can just turn off or leave it with light, medium or strong. So right now when you tap your screen, you will feel the haptic vibration going through the screen to your finger. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.